Hey squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool observer here, and basically what this is a mystery Japanese snack box. And we see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and if you guys can see the design of the package definitely looks pretty nice. It has a very nice floral design to give you guys that cherry blossom feeling. But first, I should open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So we have to open up. Once you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. So take everything out to show you guys what's included. So first thing inside, they do provide a little postcard. There's also like a little thank you letter. Next up inside, they do provide guys a little booklet. I'm assuming inside the little booklet, they provide guys information in terms of what's included inside. So right here, they do provide guys a very nice little chopstick. Right here, we do have some snacks. Right here, we do have an interesting bread. That's from Tokyo Bread. Next up, we do have a cinnamon cookie. Next up, they provide guys a snack that has yuzu in it. Next up, we do have this little package with a snack inside. Next up, we do have like a sweet potato candy or something. The next thing inside, they do provide guys like a chili snack. Next thing inside right here, we do have this snack. And then right here is the next thing. Next up, it looks like they provide guys some tea. Next thing inside, they do provide guys like a milk flavor snack. Next thing inside, they do provide like a jello textured snack. Next thing inside, they do provide some more cookies. And the last thing inside is some jelly, which is basically like candy or something. And that is basically everything that's included in this package. Now let's take a look at the inside to show you guys what each snack is. So when you do open the inside, they do provide some history about the culture, which is pretty cool. So right here is the first snack that's inside, which are basically these right here. So it looks like that one is basically brown sugar snacks. Next up right here is a chili shrimp snack, which are basically these. Top of right here, we do have a chopstick like I mentioned. Right here is basically a snow salt milk snack, which are these right here. And next up, we do have a walnut cookie that's shown right here. Next up, we do have the cinnamon cookie, which are these. Next up right here, we do have the Okinawa brown sugar bread. And bottom right here, they show you guys that the brown sugar snack. Next up right here, they show you guys that it's a brown sugar snack or brown sugar cookie. Next up right here, they show you guys that it's a brown sugar donut in the very bottom. And I love the fact that how they do tell you guys whether or not it's vegetarian and where the idea of the snack came from, to give you guys like the history of each different snack of how it started. And next up right here, like I mentioned, is the tea. So this kind of tea right here. Next up right here, they talk about the jelly, which is basically this package. Next up in the bottom is a snack that I thought was a usual option, but it's not, you can see right here. So this is a snack they're referring to in this photo. So for blueberry tart, I thought it wasn't included, but it's actually right here. So they didn't show you guys the packaging in the photo, so I didn't know, but it's right here. And then for the last and final one right here, this is basically what the inside should look like for this one. So those are all the different snacks that's included inside. I love the fact that how not only do they give you guys snacks, but they also give you guys other stuff like the history in the booklet and also like the chopstick and etc. So that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now to unboxing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this mystery box, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys love like mystery box or if you guys love Japanese snacks. Especially if you guys don't have time to go to Japan anytime soon, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.